What's going on, guys? It's your man Jay, and today we're gonna look at a few cases, try them on for the Galaxy S10 Plus. We've got a few cases here from VRS Design. Shout out to VRS Design for sending these over. These are like wallet style cases. This one, they each can hold 2 cards, as you can see, and this is pretty much the same case, just different designs. That's the case right there. So let's just start with this one right here. I really like their design of case, the way they package these things. Even though it's not like a real high quality premium, but the fact that they put this much plastic on here to get it all to you, I think that's good enough. That means they care enough about how the case gets to you. Now remember, these can hold 2 cards. With wallet style cases, I've learned that you cannot, oh, it's got like a little spring. Okay, that's pretty tight, because I've got other wallet style cases and they don't have a spring loaded mechanism like that. That's pretty sweet. But we're gonna pop this in. It's got my little dummy unit. So as you can see, the 3 cutouts right here for the camera. This one feels like a little soft touch matte. It has a lot of grip along the sides. But your cards, 1 driver's license and 1 credit card can go in there. So again, all the cutouts for the cameras are there. You got a little bit of branding up there from VRS, and you got volume and Bixby over here. Your microphone cutout, a little bit of drop protection too, man, on the corners. Yeah, and you got your power button way up there. And then you got all your ports and everything that are down here. It's gonna probably be the same on all these cases, but I'm gonna try them on for you. You got a speaker, mic, charging sink, and headphone jack out right there. You know, this is a curved screen device. So, and it's a full screen device, so they can't put too much around the top here, but this should be pretty decent for daily use. It's a thin case, that's for sure. So that's what the first one looks like. So let's get this next one on here. Again, I can appreciate their packaging. Really like how they do it. Again, see, yeah, spring loaded, and this one is see-through, so you can see the spring loaded mechanism. You see it right here, the 2 little hinges right there. You see how when I put it open, you can see how it goes back. Pretty sweet. Again, all these ports and everything are going to be the same. This is pretty much the same case, just a different design. Can't wait to get the actual Galaxy S10 Plus in. It's going to be very intriguing. So yeah, if you need to grab two cards, your driver's license and your credit card, if you're going to go shopping, this is addictive right here, man. Just this little spring mechanism. I like how they did it. I like on these clear ones, you can actually see how it actually works. Just kind of squeezes together, pops out the other side. Really nice. All right, so this one kind of has a little design on the back for your car. Same thing, no power button, microphone, camera cutout, Bixby volume, and all your ports on the bottom down there. Really nice. These are probably all going to feel the same as far as like the grip. They all have some kind of grip. I can appreciate that grip. And this one is looks like a little pink and blue or some kind of purple. Let's put this one on here. Same thing. Got the little snap. That's addictive, folks. I can appreciate that. I can appreciate that. All right, get the dummy unit on here. And boom, there it is. It's a matter of just how it looks. Along the front here, the lip protection is very minimum. There's actually like just a smidgen, a sneer, just no lip protection with these more than likely, and no front protection, so you're gonna have to get a tempered glass and put it on there if you want that kind of protection. But this is for somebody who's on the go and you got a driver's license and a credit card. All right, there you have it, man. The VRS Design cases here, man. These wallet style cases are pretty cool. See you guys in the next video. Take care.